In this quick iPhone 14 tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your iPhone camera settings back to their defaults. Let's get started. First, close the camera app if it's open. Now, open the Settings app and tap on Camera. First, select Preserve Settings. If you want your camera to return to its default settings every time you open it, turn off the options that preserve your custom camera preferences. Next, go back to the camera settings page and review options like photographic styles, record video, record slow-mo, formats, and other camera settings. If you've changed any of them, set them back to your preferred default values. If you want to reset all camera settings at once, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset. Then tap Reset All Settings and enter your passcode to confirm. Keep in mind that this will reset all system settings on your iPhone, not just the camera. Your personal data, photos, and apps will remain safe. And that's it. Now you know how to reset iPhone 14 camera settings back to their default configuration. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick iPhone camera tips and tutorial troubleshooting.